Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to place an order on 168A using image search. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to place an order on 1688 using image search. Okay, so let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Now, having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the first step we want to do is to see how we can image search. And for us to do that, we simply make sure we click on this camera icon right here. Then having clicked on this camera icon, then I have to choose the picture of the item I want to purchase from my phone album. So I'm going to choose this particular product right here. I will select the product picture. So I'm going to use this particular product picture right here. So I will select on that. Then in a few minutes, it's going to scan the product picture and wham, you have it right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do here is to choose a particular supplier and see how we can place the order on 1688. So right here we have variety results from different supplier, different prices, and the likes. Okay. So what I need to do here is to simply click on a link of a particular supplier. So I'm going to go ahead with this particular link. I will click on here. Then it's going to open up to this particular page. Next thing we want to do here is to see how we can add the item to cart. Okay. Now for me to add an item to cart, I have to simply click on here. Then it's open up this page. So I need color green. So I have to make sure I click on here to choose color green. Then I need to Excel with 2 quantities. So I have to come here and add 2 quantity. So we have to simply 1, 2. Okay. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then I need to add an item from other supplier also to cart. So let's check it out. So from this supplier also, I need to buy 2 pairs of this particular trouser also. And for me to do that, I'll have to simply click on here to add the trouser to cart. Okay, it's open up to this particular page. Okay, then from here, I need black color. So I'm going to leave it that way. Size 2XL with 2 quantities. So I have to come here now and add 2 quantity. So I will simply click on this plus sign 1, 2. Then I will simply click on here to add them to cart. All right, so after I successfully add the item to cart from two different supplier, next thing I need to do is to simply click on my cart right here to proceed to checkout. So the 2 items is going to be found right here. The first one and the second one with quantity respectively. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Then the 2 items have been successfully selected. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. All right, so I'm paying the sum of 91.20 yuan to purchase these 2 trouser from different supplier with my Alipay right here. As you can see, my Alipay is active. Now, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I need to click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. So payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, I need to click on back, go back. Then I have to make sure I click on this icon right here from the home page. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Here we go. So this is the first one and this is the second one. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to place an order on 168A using image search with your Alipay as a means of payment. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link from 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.